Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to write in Microsoft Excel. Therefore symbol. This is the therefore symbol. You can write this symbol using symbols, and also you can write using equation. So just guys, you have to click on insert, then equation, and once you click on equation, in this third line here you will find this symbol therefore. Just select it. Another way, type this slash and type therefore and press space bar. Make sure not enter, you have to press space bar. Type this slash and type therefore and press space bar one time. Insert equation and slash and type therefore. And just press space bar on your keyboard. So you can type this symbol. So thanks for watching.